te chini local ni bangi je kok sanai te local ni borok bonono chung rohna hini jotun chaitok laijak agami dino nung nugnai te Tripura rajyo joto lukorok nugnai je komse kom chung 15000 ni bisi tine margin victory khaine o Ramchandraghat to landslide victory hin manu
ge lamsogo tin chini khorang mangplio chung tini faisok wajak Ramchandraghat constituency ni candidate BJP candidate Sir David Debbarma botau ani logeno chung boy kok salane taklai bisini OTT edis chongmari bomsu jorate BJP ni bekhak supporters fight ong ba bahai condition tini o constituency buma hai political landscape bahai tong sa what do you think about this election campaign going on
jotono hambai joro chini khorang nai tong nai viewers song no an khapung na hamjang TV chibai ya faro the thing is that earlier in Ramchandraghat we don't have much base. Okay, the grassroots organization was zero. Today we are in a neck-to-neck fight positions, and I can give you assurance by 17th, we have a counting on 17th, we will be leading up to 15,000 margin. Alright, 15 कम से कम 15,000 लीड खाई नहीं चिंग जितने Ramchandraghat तो चीनी पार्टी वर्कर जतन सामु खाई तोंगो ते चीनी कबंग mechanism तोंगो है दिवा ते apart from mechanism also taklai Ramchandraghat ni nirbachan o ADC election ni je nirbachan obo Ramchandraghat ni bangi ka identity Ramchandraghat ni own identity Ramchandraghat ni ostistho no tini nirbachan karon Tripura rajyo nungkabang somoy rajnitik somoy election nuktong kintu Ramchandraghat ni bangi khai taklai khubbi banab singcha kok ti khubbi challenging ki Ramchandraghat borok belai abono chaja yangjak tong tamungke je opposite candidate chini borok sarkar tong happen ching frankly fight ki tong bongni MLA bo fatarni tabuk je MDC candidate bu fatarni nge borok belai bukha thilaijak te Debbarma jara active warriors jara active karjo korta bong borok bangbai constantly touch tong te kongma Debbarma than borok join bu khai tong te borok nayo je local candidate in they said ki local no nango chung te local no chung oro council no hoite jitri ne sang agami dino representative rohonai TTADCO te chini local ni bangi je kok sanai te local ni borok bonono chung rohonai hini jotun chaitok laijak agami dino nung nugnai te Tripura rajyo joto lukorok nugnai je कम से कम chung 15,000 ni bisi tine margin victory khaine o Ramchandraghat to landslide victory hin manu hoise
sir last couple of weeks ni sakang je nomination release man yagol ba ya forman yagolo chung nugui manu dal bidal thayo baksa jaga political violence nugui tongo especially sanha angka Ramchandraghat constituency ho chung kisa political chaos am hairo nugui tong attack khaijang maro abo recently sangni ni thani attack mani bonu kha nong ni je party workers on thani je vehicle vandalize khaijang maro why do you think this chaos is going on the violence it is a political agenda or something what do you say
see this is not a political agenda at all Maharaja never told him to do such thing okay I spoke with Maharaja also and the day I got a ticket Maharaja gave me a call and he blessed me also and everybody knows I have a very good relations with Maharaja I used to stay with Maharaja only I grew up in Rajbari we could say today also I'm in very good relationship with Maharaja and this is not a Maharaja who asks their people to this is basically the local candidate and the outside Bohiragodo candidate he bought outside people from all the way from Mandai Simna and outside people and they here to they came to ransack my property they try to harm me and they try to kill me permanently and I made and this is basically they have a fear psychosis could say and they understood they are losing this time this election and they try to organize another what is this called they wanted to conduct by election by killing me such kind of thing this is not even those people except couple of people they're mostly outsider and you could see Ramchandraghat was like earlier we had given chief minister okay and today two candidates are from outside and most two candidates are uncle nephew they try to run in a local business here okay they make money from here and they settle they send their money to Simna this is going to send money to Mandai and this is basically they're trying to run in a syndicate business nothing else no progress no development so far and you could see the challenging today for me is like not Debbarma the outside people who came here to create the chaos and talking about the law and order situations they are the one who's trying to create the unrest in law and order that is the thing otherwise we don't have much challenging
so and we have it's not the party but the people
we have overcome the obstacle also we have already overcome the obstacle and there's nothing to worry about in today also they try to create the trouble everywhere they try to create another trouble I grown up in Ramchandraghat this is my motherland I born here and I worked for these people and I spent some good time in TSF also I spent good time in BJP also it's been almost 10 years I'm in a BJP topmost functionary in the state I was general secretary and before I was in the board party worker I came from the grassroots I even didn't recognize a single boys, who tried to pelted a student today, who tried to attack my rallies today, who tried to sabotage my party program today. They mostly from outside. And of course, there are a couple of people from here also who saw them roots, who saw the way to create such an unrest. Otherwise, BJP is already won. We have already become what you could say. I could have said BJP jeet gaya yaha. That is the thing.
Sir, ta kese ngangke jeng thanayo je Tripura motha je ally nong ni opposition dhani mano je constituency ngangke bor ni kubma political leaders ba koikta active leaders je tongmor bor BJP join khaima nugui tong obnotei opposition om haken allegation roi tong je they are into the BJP just for the sake of money and position.
See, I'll tell you one thing. This is let them talk nonsense. Okay. This is the elections. Everybody will talk. Everybody. We are ideologically driven political party. Okay, we don't give money. मैं 10 साल हम लोग almost I am almost in 8 years in the government. हम लोग तो किसी को पैसे तो केवल रंग रही पार्टी ज्वाइन कर लिया. केवल रंग रही है बरक पार्टी ने हमजा को डेवलपमेंट हमजा को ठीक है से विकसित त्रिपुरा नो नहीं हमजा को ते मोदी जी ने ना हर मुंग विकसित भारत विकसित त्रिपुरा विकसित एडीसी करप्शन फ्री मुक्त सरकार खाई इन बंगी से बरक बीजेपी ज्वाइन खायो निजे नि सामुंग जाति नि सामुंग खाई ना हंगा खाई नंग सरकार तंगना नंगनाय ते नेशनल पार्टी तंगने नंग पॉलिसी खाई मने लॉबी खाई मने अदरवाइज नंग अपोजिशन तंगने सारा जीवन चिरिक तंगई तो कुनो लाभ करे नंग कोई दिन बो खाई ने चिंग से मा खाई नहीं तब कॉक खाई से he will do I will do he will do not he we will do now ठीक है this is the right time to do something for our own people, for myself, for my constituency. How long will wait for others to come and do it for me? ठीक है ना? We every time we say the Congress will give us, this party will give us, but Bharatiya Janata Party is the only party who gave a recognition to our people. You could have seen you were working in the media since and long, and state government has given a lot of significant opportunities, significant development for indigenous people of Tripura also. Talking about 125th amendment, our cabinet has already passed and sent it to Delhi. This is only the matter of the process. An honorable MP, honorable MP from East Tripura, she is also from the royal family. She is Maharaja's sister. She is in our party also. So those talking about such kind of the money, we haven't paid a single money to. Single penny rupees to Honorable MP Rajkumari Kirti ji. You could have asked her, has she got any money or not? Rang to sang kaya Kumari rang mahana. Kumari ki rang nai de BJP MP khaba. Bor Raja ki rang nango haida. Maharaj ki rango na Maharajan Maharaj ki rang no. Actually kok kaya or Ramchandraghat ni fight. The main focus is, my focus is now Ramchandraghat fight. So if we're talking about the state geopolitics, our state honorable chief minister, our state president will talk. And I wanted to focus on my constituency now. And I wanted to connect with more people. And now also I'm traveling and I'm moving towards Jan Sampark and meeting 100 people. And tomorrow I have a joining program. And evening also I have a joining program. And things are moving very fast. And things are drastically changing in my favor in party. And party could say this is the first time somewhere from regional party used to have such a base in Ramchandraghat. Today, after 17, you won't see such a base in Ramchandraghat. And this time we will, send refugee candidate to permanently home. And 2028, we will send him permanently to his residence. And we will bring our own local boy here.
Sir, election GT money yagolo first thing tam khainin constituency.
First of all, in Ramchandraghat, major challenging for me and for our people also, mostly our youths in Ramchandraghat, they got into drugs, and everybody could see without the biggest influential people, elected representative influence, you can't, sell drugs. They might, the peddlers and, the carriers might have a shelter from somebody else, all right. First of all, I have to cut their hand. I have given a promise to my people. First, let me cut their hand. Those who eat drugs, we will send them to rehab, best rehab. You could have had Honorable Prime Minister has given money, and Honorable Chief Minister, all this. We have recently over 100 crore. Today, we are constructing one of the biggest rehab in Bisramganj. We will give them a rehabilitation and we will train them also. Those who are drugs addicted also, we'll bring them into normalcy. We'll put them in jobs, we'll give them a skill training, and then we'll bring them soft skill, and we'll put them in a good lifestyle. We'll put them in a back normalcy also. But apart from that also, there are other challenging also here. Okay, I will sort it out and I'll speak to my people and I'll meet my people and I'll raise the concern and I'll raise it in council. And of course, we are in the Delhi, we are in the state government. Of course, we'll bring the fund, we'll change the Ramchandraghat also. Today, you could see most of the roads, most of the electricity, 100% rural electrification, 100% water connectivity, jobs, and PMAY house. And this all the development taken place under the state government leadership, under only Chief Minister's leadership. All right, ADC, we have given a lot of money to them. All right, they haven't done a single penny. Even they are unable to, give a pensions also. They are unable to give a salaries also. Even everywhere is nepotism, school admission nepotism, jobs nepotisms. In talking about the journal jobs scam, that is 100% scandal. They could not provide a single jobs also yet.
But
Alright,
they are blaming the state government for not sending the funds, which is why they are not able to pay the salaries and this and that. What do you say about that?
See, if it is so, and then how is that MDCs, EMs are enjoying so much leverage? They're getting 75 lakhs, 50 lakh rupees fund every year probably, CDC fund, I don't know what fund it is called. I haven't become an MDC yet, so I don't have much idea. But what about the EMs, what about the MDC, what about the chairman, what about the journal chairmen? They're having a good money. Where those money is gone? Probably this year budget also near about 900 crore, I believe. This year budget we have placed for the ADC near about 900 crore. Earlier it's probably 600 or 700 crore, I have no idea. But what about those money? Whereas those money is gone. Talking about 75% salary gone. Talking about like committed expenditure, let us assume 75% is committed expenditure. What about the other 30%? Where those money is gone? I haven't seen a single penny development taken place in TT-ADC area. All right. So see, these are the baseless allegation at all, and this allegation has no value also, and people understood today, and mostly the youths also, the Genjis also, the women's also, they understood, and they're with BJP today, and they're with Narendra Modi's Big Sid Bharat, and Chief Minister Professor Dr. Manik sir wanted to always empower people. Whenever I meet Honorable Chief Minister, he always talk about empowering our people. He always talk about empowering our youths, talking about always empowering our women, empowering our rural infrastructure. He always put a stress on developing Tripura.
Okay, one last message for the people out there for the election to vote on 12th April.
See, I appeal to all the section of people not to get indulged into violence. Violence is not a solution. They may bring people from outside, but the outside people will go back. But what about our local people? We have to stay back here. So instead of doing such a nonsense thing, better to focus on constructive criticism. We would opt to welcome the constructive criticism. We will always face the constructive criticism. We will reply on a constructive way, and we will fight for a very good cause, and we'll fight. And I wanted to remain in a clean politics, and I wanted to serve my people. I wanted to serve with the honesty. I wanted to serve with the dignity. I want my people to live with integrity and dignity, not to get indulged in violence, not to go ahead with the case. Even the local candidates, not talking about me also. I am born here, I'll die here. But my brother James will not live here. Even Uncle Ranjit doesn't have a house also. He's almost 2.5 years MLA here. He has constructed his house back in his place, or back into probably Barokathal. So the problem is today with their leadership is they don't trust Ramchandraghat people. We have 35,000 voters today in Ramchandraghat. They have a EM, they have a MLAs, and they have a local functionaries also. They have a gundas also. They have a leaders also. They don't trust. You could have seen last week probably they went to Sapnadi's house. She used to be one of the most vibrant politicians. Women vibrant politician. And BJP, we always pay respect to the women. You could have said Draupadi Murmu, first president of India. We pay respect to our women. And we have always said Nari Shakti Bandhanam. Society, I know nothing. But today they said go back Sapna. They don't even trust their own local people. So how do you expect them, their leadership, to trust our own local people? So our people has understood, Ramchandraghat has understood, Debbarma has no future here. They have already lost. That's why they're trying to create such an unrest and political violence here. But our people are very calm. Look at them. They're very calm, very nice. They're enjoying this. Look at their face. They're smiling. The vibrancy among their face. I have with me Honorable Sri Samir Uranji, former Rajya Sabha MP, currently serving as National President of ST Morcha. He came all the way from Delhi to meet the people, to express the views of Narendra Modi ji. Kaise development ho raha, nahi ho raha. So that is the thing. And the appeal is to vote for the local, not the Bahiragoto. Thank you.